Last Days of Pompeii is a novel written by Edward Bulwer-Lytton in 1834 and was inspired by the painting The Last Day of Pompeii by the Russian painter Karl Bryullov. Edward Bulwer-Lytton is famous for such iconic lines as, "It was a dark and stormy night," and "The pen is mightier than the sword." The Last Days of Pompeii tells the story of the virtuous Greeks Glaucus and Ione, and their escape from Pompeii amid the eruption of Vesuvius. Pompeii, AD 79. Athenian nobleman Glaucus arrives in the bustling and gaudy Roman town and quickly falls in love with the beautiful Greek woman Ione. Ione's guardian, the malevolent Egyptian sorcerer Arbaces, has his own designs on Ione and sets out to destroy her and Glaucus's budding happiness. Arbaces has already ruined Ione's brother Arbaces by luring him to join the vice-ridden priesthood of Isis. The blind slave girl Nydia is rescued from her abusive owners by Glaucus, for whom she secretly pines. Arbaces horrifies Ione by declaring his love for her and flying into rage when she refuses him. Glaucus and Ione exult in their love, much to Nydia's torment. Julia, a rich young woman who has eyes for Glaucus, is aided by Nydia to obtain a love potion from the sorcerer Arbaces to win Glaucus's love. But the love potion is really a poison that will turn Glaucus mad. Nydia steals the potion and administers it to make Glaucus fall in love with her instead. Glaucus drinks only a small amount and begins raving wildly. When Arbaces learns that Arbaces is going to publicly reveal the deception of the cult of Isis, Arbaces stabs Arbaces to death and pins the crime on Glaucus. Glaucus' sentence is to be fed to wild cats in the amphitheater. Before the lions can dine, however, ash and stone begin to rain down from the sky, causing mass panic. Glaucus escapes the amphitheater and rescues Ione from the house of Arbaces. Despite her unrequited love for Glaucus, Nydia leads Glaucus and Ione through the dark streets filled with smoke from the volcano to safety on a ship in the Bay of Naples.